Good day, everyone, and welcome. It's my pleasure to be here today to speak with you all, and I hope that my words will be informative and inspiring, and that together we can learn and grow from this experience. Thank you for being here, and let's make the most of our time together. We will tackle about the different characteristics about continental crust and oceanic crust. Before we proceed to our topic, do you have any idea what is oceanic crust and continental crust? If yes, let me elaborate more of the topic.
Continental crust. Continental crust is the layer of igneous, metamorphic, and sedimentary rocks that forms the geological continents and the areas of shallow seabed close to their shores, known as continental shelves. This layer is sometimes called sial because its bulk composition is richer in aluminum silicates and has a lower density compared to the oceanic crust, called sima, which is richer in magnesium silicate minerals.
A lithosphere from ancient Greek, lithos, rocky or sphere, is the rigid outermost rocky shell of the terrestrial planet or natural satellite on Earth. It is composed of the crust and lithospheric mantle, the topmost portion of the upper mantle that behaves elastically on the time scales of to up thousand of years or more, and crust and upper mantle are distinguished on the basis of chemistry and mineral.
Geology, the crust, the outermost solid shell of a rocky planet, dwarf planet, or natural satellite. It is usually distinguished from the underlying mantle by its chemical makeup. However, in the case of icy satellites, it may be distinguished based on its phase, solid crust versus solid mantle.
Good ETKB everyone, my name is Cyril Monbitalakan. Types of crust. This is outside layer of the earth and is made of solid rock, mostly basalt and granite. There are two types of crust, oceanic and continental. Oceanic crust is denser, thinner, and mainly composed of basalt. Continental crust is less dense, thicker, and mainly composed of granite.
Difference of continental crust and oceanic crust. Oceanic crust is about 6 kilometers and 4 miles thick. It is composed of several layers, not including the overlying sediment. The topmost layer, about 500 meters and 1,650 feet thick, includes lavas made of basalt, that is rock material consisting largely of plagioclase and pyroxene. Oceanic crust differs from continental crust in several ways. It is thinner, denser, younger, and a different chemical composition, like continental crust. However, oceanic crust is destroyed.
Oceanic crust. The age of oceanic crust is 260 million. The thickness of oceanic crust is 7 to 10 km. The density of oceanic crust is 3.0 gram per cubic meter. The rock composition of oceanic crust is basaltic rock. Continental crust. The age of continental crust is 4 billion. The thickness of continental crust is 25 to 70 km. The density of continental crust is 2.7 gram per cubic meter. The rock composition of continental crust is granitic rocks.
This is the Venn diagram of continental crust and oceanic crust. Oceanic crust, more dense, made of mostly basalt, 5 to 30 kilometers and 3 to 6 miles, younger and newer. Types of crust, made of rock, solid, make up tectonic plates, part of lithosphere, moving. Continental crust, less dense, made of mostly granite, 30 to 50 kilometers, 20 to 30 miles, older.
Oceanic crust is the uppermost layer of the oceanic portion of tectonic plates. It is composed of the upper oceanic crust with pillow lavas and a dye complex, and the lower oceanic crust composed of trochlolite, gabbro, and ultramafic communities. The crust overlies the rickety, uppermost layer of the mantle. The crust and the rickety upper mantle layer together constitute oceanic lithosphere.